You type in a URL and hit enter all the time. But what actually happens right after?
So let's follow that request, see where it goes across the internet and how it gets back.
Okay, so it all starts with one question. Where is this website really? See, the internet doesn't really use names. It runs on numbers called IP addresses. And to get the right number, your computer pings something called the Domain Name System, or DNS. Just think of DNS as the internet's phone book. It looks up a name to find its number. So your computer sends out a little query asking for that website's IP address. But first, it's got to get past your home router, which is kind of like a gatekeeper. Your router has this clever little trick up its sleeve called Network Address Translation, or NAT. At first, that request has your laptop's private IP address listed as the source. Then, the router just swaps that out for its own single public IP address. And this is key. It remembers your device asked, so it knows where to send the answer back. Okay, now we're on the public internet. The request hits the DNS server and gets an answer. The reply comes back, "Hey, that website you want? It's right here at this address." That reply makes its way back to your router, which then checks its little memory table. It sees the request came from your laptop, so it sends the answer right to you. All right, now your computer knows the real address. Time to connect for real. So it sends a new request, this time straight to the website. And yep, it uses NAT again. And there it is. Your request has finally made it to the computer hosting the website. The server grabs everything for the page, the code, the style, the images, and packages it up. That whole package of data then starts its big journey, all the way back to you. Once again, your router looks at its table and knows exactly which device gets this data. Finally, your browser gets the data and pieces it all together into the webpage you see. And the craziest part? This whole round trip happens in less than a single second. It's this incredible speed that makes our digital world possible. So, what's next?